Today is September 29th, 2019, about 12:30 in the afternoon. I'm right in front of the Caesars Forum, which opens in 2020. It's looking pretty good, actually. I like the design of this place. It's going to be a large meeting area with 550,000 square feet of meeting space, with 300,000 of those square feet will be adjustable, so they can move the walls around and get to any configuration that your heart desires. This is a X amount million project, which I forgot because I'm just down here hanging out. I don't have my notes, but it'll be on the screen. All right, let's take a look. So right now I am just under the high roller. There's the high roller. There is the monorail station. That's the Venetian, I believe. You can see Hera's name in the corner behind the little tree. And the link. And just behind that, there's the parking. And there is the Caesars Forum 2020. All right, let's take a little walk and get a different angle. I guess that will be one of the entrances right there. It looks like it, yeah. And they'll probably have several doors here. Could be. But it does look quite nice. Actually, it does fit, in my opinion, the overall feel of this area behind the link. Now that big leg right there goes right to the high roller. Boom. And there it is. So right now, I'm kind of in the parking lot of the Westin, well, behind the Westin and behind the employment center of Caesars. There's Bally's, there is some hotel, and the Flamingo? The Flamingo. And then here is the high roller, and here is the Forum, Caesars Forum. Now, for those interested, the high roller costs $40 for the half-hour ride before 6 p.m. and $55 after 6 p.m., but that's with the happy hour. You can drink all you can, so chug-a-lug, best you can. If you're not drinking, it is $25 before 6 p.m. and $37 after 6 p.m. Now, they do have specials sometimes. I know I went during Christmas one year, and I believe it was half price, maybe $12.50 or $14, something like that. So I thought that was a good deal. But you do get a nice view, and it is a popular ride. Okay, back to Caesars Forum. Now, it's a Sunday out here, and there is some work going on. I saw a tractor come zipping by a little while ago. Didn't get it on film though, but it does look like it's making progress, and now we can see more of the outside. I really wish I can get inside this thing and take a peek. So here is a nice view of the Harrah's, the Venetian. Let me zoom in on Harrah's. Harrah's, the Venetian, and is that the what's that one called? Palazzo. Sometimes, you guys, we forget these names of these hotels. There's so many of them. Oh well. So, and also with this Caesars Forum, there'll be the largest ballroom, well, two of the largest ballroom spaces in the world. So hey, all right. A little bit more. Let's walk. Okay, so now we're on Koval and Winnick, and here's the view. See, so looks, you know, it looks like a big meeting area. All right. Okay, and then here is the high roller. Straight away, the Link Hotel behind there. All right, cool. Okay. Now, there's the good old signs out: keep out, road closed, no person vehicles allowed on site, Penta, blah, 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 blah. Caesars, here's a big sign. Caesars Forum meeting rooms. Expiration date, May 23, 520. I'm sorry, May 23, 2020. I presume that is the date they should be done by, their, you know, drop dead date, so to speak. All right, here we are near the MSG Sphere, the Madison Square Garden Sphere at the Venetian. As we can see, some progress has been made as there was a small structure and being built, and I believe that's an outhouse right on top. So you can see, I guess that's part of the base of the whole structure. This is between a 1.2 and $1.5 billion project, 18,000 seats over 9 levels with the hepatic system, sound system, where the sounds you will hear and then feel through vibrations in the floor. Once this is completed, you know, there'll be concerts and all sorts of events going on here. In the background, you can see the fountain blue, which who knows when that'll open up. And also, you can see the stratosphere, or known as the Strat right now. All right, hey. Now here's the bottom of the structure. You can see, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it looks almost circular, right? So for the globe. Now, like I said, there's the Drew, and there is the Strat, and just below, down and to the right of the Strat, you can see the structure of the Las Vegas Convention Center, the shell or the rooftop. Okay. All right. So hopefully this will be on time and on budget and will be very, very popular. Hey everybody, this is OneManOneCamera. Today, quick update on the Resorts World Las Vegas. This $3 billion, I believe, phase 1 of the project is continuing on. There is some work, from what I understand, there is some work being done on the inside of the place. However, it's not heavy duty. I got a comment in one of my videos saying, hey, you know what, there is some work going on, but it's not really all that much. So as far as the opening date of this place, I probably wouldn't count on 2020. It could happen, but you know, I'm saying don't really count on that. All right, okay, great. But as you can see, you know, there are structures here, you know, and the cranes up on top. In the morning when I go to work, I can see them, and they do seem to move during the daytime, so there is some work going on. I really need to get a time of that. Haven't done that yet. And here's a clip of, I guess, one of the original renderings or graphics of what they thought Resorts World Las Vegas would be like. All right, there we go. As you can see, that's a huge difference than what we're going to get. But well, you know, you make plans and plans change, all right? And once again, I'm in the parking lot of the Pepper Mill, taking a quick peek at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Things seem to be going along at a nice steady clip. I did see an article which said that Elon Musk's boring company, they had delivered equipment here to bore the you know, the underground people mover, which starts, I believe, right around here, kind of near Circus-ish, but on this side of the street, and will zip people along underground to the other side of where we are right now, other side of the LVCC. Now, it's supposed to be a very, very, very quick and easy ride, but once it gets started, I guess we'll find out, because for now, everything's still on the drawing board. But like I said, they have delivered equipment, and pardon me, walking around. They have delivered equipment, and so we'll just, you know, keep our eyes peeled. Alright, so the Boring Company has arrived in Las Vegas to dig the hole for the people mover for the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion. We will check on this thing periodically to see how the work is going, but for now, just kick back, relax, and watch this footage of some type of machine digging some type of hole. Thanks. Alright, you guys, like you always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day. There is fresh fruit. Sorry, seafood. Little kids, hello. Lots of vegetables. Hi, vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. There's a cat. And more vegetables. And live chickens. Mmm, delicious. Very, very fresh. Fresh indeed. Pretty side-eyeing. Delicious. Just like most markets in Southeast Asia, they're usually a conglomerate of everything. You got your supermarket, your live food, you got your some things that have been frozen in here. A lot of fish. I'm not sure if they're ocean fish or river fish. They're ocean fish. Ocean fish. White carrot, I think. Which columns? So there's usually a lot of ocean food here, along with some maybe some freshwater items also. You got your prawns, some kind of squid, more prawns, ginger, potato, and a whole bevy of fruits to choose from. Piles of dry shrimp. Hello. 1 kilo is 8,000 riyal. That's about $2 for a kilo. Remember, kids, 1 kilo is 2.2 pounds, yeah? Okay? 1 kilo is 2.2 pounds. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock!